All right, so this is a quick video for George from Hill Auto Body and Towing. He's been having problems with the blur, and I was going to do a quick demo video for him on how to do that, and then I realized that I was also having problems doing that, which I'd never had problems in the past. So I looked up another video. I'll put his link in the description below, but here's what he discovered. So when you go into the editor, and then you of course find your blur. Once you've got the blur and then you select face blur, that should be enough. You would think at this point you're set and you're ready to go. You just hit the button and then you go, but it's not saving it. So what you have to do is you have to go to the blue bar where the blur is, go all the way to the end of it, and just back it off like 2 or 3 seconds. Once you back it off, you'll notice that up in the top corner, the previously grayed out button that allows you to save the procedure is now back. So that's what the problem is. It's some kind of a bug. I don't know exactly what it is, but thankfully the guy in the other YouTube channel found it for us. So there you go.